Captain's Log, 25th July 2023. Position 27 kilometers north of Ameland. Weather calm. Light wind. Moderate visibility. Cargo manifest, nearly 3,800 vehicles, 498 electric. Crew, 23 souls aboard the Fremantle Highway. I had just come off watch. I remember the smell first. Faint, synthetic, burning. 43 hours. Fire alarm, hold 3, then hold 5. Vehicles, the worst case scenario, EV ignition. Within minutes, smoke was flooding ventilation shafts. Our suppression systems weren't designed for lithium ion. We tried. God knows we tried. We radioed the Dutch Coast Guard. They responded quickly, activated lifeboats, launched aircraft and scrambled helicopters to pick up MERG, the Maritime Incident Response Group. We were told help was on its way, but time at sea is different. It doesn't wait. By 100, no one had reached us. The MERG team was still grounded, uncertain whether boarding was safe. The helicopters had become stranded with them. No firefighting crew, no rescue capacity, just smoke and waiting. The fire grew aggressive. Steel began to warp. The heat buckled doors. Communications inside the ship became unreliable. Crew members began coughing up black. We handed out what little breathing gear we had. I started writing down names, just in case. At 200, 2.5 hours after first contact, a surveillance aircraft finally arrived. Infrared showed the truth. We were burning stem to stern. That's when the Coast Guard finally transitioned from fire response to rescue. Too late. 7 of my crew, trapped by smoke, jumped into black water from 20 meters up. I watched one of them hit wrong. He never surfaced. 2 KNRM lifeboats reached them. A civilian salvage vessel, Nordgat, arrived on its own initiative. No orders, just seafarers helping seafarers. That's what saved lives. 3:30 hours. The SAR helicopters finally reached us. 16 men remained on board, some too weak to climb, some unconscious. They hoisted us one by one. I was last. I wouldn't leave until I counted everyone. We landed at an empty airport, no ambulances. The system hadn't caught up. Confusion reigned. Leeuwarden, Lauwersoog, Eelde. No one knew where we were supposed to go. That hour cost us again. Some crew waited far too long for care. We had trained for fire, but not for waiting, not for silence. The system ashore broke down. Too many agencies, no central command. The Coast Guard did what it could, but it was alone. I've carried men through typhoons. I've stood watch while the sea tried to take us, but nothing prepared me for watching my crew choke while helicopters idled 150 kilometers away. We say captains go down with the ship, but sometimes the ship goes down with the system. We lost 1 man. Others won't return to sea. I still smell that plastic in my sleep. Still see the hold glowing white-hot behind steel. The fire ended, but the failure lingers.
This was the captain's log of the Fremantle Highway, a night that changed everything. If you're a fellow mariner or cadet, drop your thoughts below. Stay sharp, stay safe, and always respect the sea.